Hello everyone, welcome to Varag. Today we are going to kick off our Python programming series with a classic Hello World program. This is often the first program beginners write when learning a new programming language. Let's dive into the code. In Python, command starts with hash symbol. They are not executed by the Python interpreter. They are just for us to add nodes to the code. So the first line is a command. The next line is where the magic happens. We use the printf function to display output on the console. Here we are printing a string hello world. When we run this program, it simply prints hello world to the console. This might seem trivial, but it serves a crucial purpose for beginners. It helps us ensure that our development environment is set up correctly and introduces us to the basic syntax of Python. The Hello World program is like a rite of passage in programming. It is a simple yet powerful way to start our coding journey. It introduces us to the concept of functions. In this case, the printf function that gives us the satisfying moment of seeing our first output. So there you have it, our first Python program. As we progress through this series, we will explore more complex concepts and build on what we have learned today. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe Varag and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there is anything specific you do like to learn. Thank you for watching this video. Happy coding!